All right, I'm going to talk about how to take a raw date, sort of like this right here, and convert it to a format where Excel will be able to read it as the date. So right here we can see we've got the first four are going to be the year, the fifth and sixth character are going to be the month, and then the seventh and eighth character is going to be the day. So we're going to come here and we're going to parse these out by using left, mid, and right functions. So for the very first one here, this is going to be the year. We're going to say equals left. We'll choose this box here. We'll say how many characters do we want from the left. So we want those first four. So we're going to say 4 here. Similar for the right. We'll choose this and say how many do we want from the right going over. And so it's going to be that first 2 on the right side. And then, so that's going to be 10. And then for the mid, this works a little differently. We'll choose this box right here, and then we have start num. So this says where on this string do we want the very first character to be? Where do we want it to start? So we want it to start right there on the 5th character, which is that 0. So we're going to say 5. And then the numchar says how many characters do we want to include, beginning with and including that first character that you indicated here. So we want 0 and a 3, so it's going to be 1, 2. So we're going to include 2 up here. So now that we've broken that out, we can use the date function and just do all of these. And that formats it to the format that we're all familiar with. And so now to clean this up, what we would do is we would just come in here, and instead of using these cells, we could just come right up here, copy this, and paste it into the respectable place on here.